Let's encourage her. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Deputy President, Professor Kithure Kindiki, all protocols observed. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude for honoring this honorable job. And now I'm going to give my tribute. I'm going to read my tribute to my dearest wife. There is a silence in our home now that echoes. There is a silence in our home now that echoes. It is a heavy, profound quiet where your laughter used to live. My soul knows a new, raw footprint, a landscape of loss shaped entirely by your absence. In losing you, I have lost the compass by which I navigated the world. The pain is a constant, low harm. I find myself turning to share a thought with you, only to find empty space. I reach for you in the night and find cold sheets. The small sacred rituals of our life, the shared glances over the children's heads, the soft conversations after long days, the simple act of caring a moment of facial care together are now aching memories. I am a man learning to walk with a weight he can never put down. But hear this, my love, and hold it close in your eternal rest. My commitment to our children is now the very engine of my life. They are our living legacy, the most precious pieces of you left on this earth. I want you to have a divine peace in your spirit, because my commitment to you, for our children, Sky and Dani, starts that I will always respect their decisions to the best of their interest, while also jealously guarding the love you instilled in our family. I will guard their hearts with a ferocity you would recognize. I will be fortress against the world's storms, ensuring they never doubt for a single moment that they are cherished, wanted, and adored. The boundless, effortless love you poured into them will now flow through me, doubled in its intensity, because it now carries my share and yours. You taught me how to love with depth, how to parent with grace, just like your mom taught you, and the lessons and virtues she instilled in you will remain the anchor of our home. I promise to take care of Mom, just like you taught us, and enhance the bond with her grandchildren, Sky and Dani. I may not fill in the gap as the last born she adored, but I will do my best to make sure your memories will remain vibrant and alive. Like how you brought your family and my family together during Christmas, I promise you that it will not die off. And Sky and Dani will be there to help me keep the bond Sky and Dani will be there to help me keep the bond of their uncles and aunties from both from both our families. The children, holidays, and birthday surprises will remain honored, including yours, which is coming up on 24th November, 4 days from your resting day. I am shattered, but I'm not broken. I am wounded, but I'm armed with the lessons you taught me. I thank God for the days I spent with you. It's hard to accept the will of God, but maybe He just didn't want you to suffer in this cruel and unforgiving world. Rest now, my beautiful wife. Rest in the perfect, glorious peace of God that you so richly deserve. Your watch has ended. Mine continues, fueled by a love that not even death can dim. Watch over us until I can hold you again. My love, now and always, rest with the angels till we meet again. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Tash. Tumpigie makofi. Mazuri, Tash, thank you. And your team, God bless you, God bless you. Nafasi hii nzuri, we want to really to appreciate wale wote ambao tumefanya kazi hii. Our chair, I can see you and your whole team there. The media personality, hata Baby Top ako hapa. We are happy to have you around here. Tunashukuru tumekuwa naye Cargo. Again,